Look at all these. If I'm correct, I believe these are all pelicans. Not geese, or they're geese. Yep, they're geese. They're all headed north. But this is what I came outside for. There's no filter on this. This is beautiful, beautiful colors. Look how it reflects in the water. Ah, did you see that fish jump? Now, if you notice, look how much that water has come down. This is within the last week. All that right there. That was all underwater. But bad part is, look at the debris from it. How many trees were uprooted? Let me go to the other side. Be right back. More geese. Alright, now you can see how it really affected our riverbanks here. The sun will be coming up right over there. If you can, look what's coming. Wow, we're just loaded with geese coming. Oh, they're changing course. I think that is so neat. Stop! The deckhand tapped me on the shoulder. That's what you heard. He was trying to tell me they weren't geese, they are pelicans. Wow. Mother Nature at its best. Be right back. Good heavens, they won't stop. Flocks and flocks. No, I'm sorry. These look like pelicans. These aren't geese. They're pelicans. They're called river pelicans. Let me see if any more are coming. Nope, I don't see any more right this moment. Maybe back though. Good morning, everyone, or evening, or afternoon, whenever you decide to watch this. Today, I'm going to be making 2 desserts, but since I don't have a lot of time today because I have to do a lot of prep for lunch and supper this morning, I'm going to show you the quick way how to do these desserts. So stay tuned, be right back. Here is the first dessert. And the first dessert, if you're not sure by these ingredients what it could be, it's going to be snickerdoodle cookies. But this is for a very small family. So, watch this. Okay, for this large group, instead of having one box, one egg, half a cup of butter of the cake mix, to mix with the cake mix, and the cinnamon and sugar, I now have 2 boxes, 2 eggs, and a full cup of melted butter. You want to make sure that the butter has cooled down so it doesn't cook the egg before you have a chance to fully mix it with the cake mix. So let's go over to the mixer. Alright, let's start by putting in the cake mix first. Whoops. Remember, don't mix the bag. I don't think they want this wax paper bag involved. Let's try not to do that. Same thing with this one. Bloopers. God, I know you all love my bloopers. Alright, next we're going to add the half a cup of melted butter. And the 2 eggs. Then of course we're going to mix it. Now I'm going to come back so you don't have to watch this part. We all know how to use the mixer. Now as you see, it looks like, and I'm going to run this real quick so you can see it, what it does. It pulls it away from the bowl. That's the texture you want. Be right back. Now I'm going to let you know on a secret here. So watch what I do. I take this and I put it in the refrigerator for approximately about an hour. The reason why? When you go to bake them, it doesn't make them hard cookies, they make them soft and chewy, which is fantastic. So be right back and you'll see how I finish the rest of it before baking and then afterwards. So hold on. Okay, for the next process of the snickerdoodles, as you can see, I've got this cinnamon sugar here. I got this size scoop. I think this is a 1 inch. So I have a cup of water here because it helps cut through this because it's ice cold. So we'll start with the first one. Get a scoop like that. Drop it in. You don't want to press it in, just roll it in. And put it on parchment paper. Keep doing that with each one. And you put it about 2 inches apart, I would say. So I'll come right back and show you after I get both pans filled and put them in the oven. Here they are, all panned up. Now mind you, yes, there is parchment paper under here. Any type of sugar cookie, you want parchment paper under it, even if it's a non-stick. Due to the fact sometimes it will stick and sometimes it'll make it hard. And then it falls apart, you're going, okay, what the hell did I do wrong? Use parchment paper. Best thing ever made. Best invention ever made. And here we go in the oven with it. There they are. 7 to 10 minutes. See you back in a few. Oh, at 350. Okay, let's check them out. Yep, they're done. When they start cracking like that at the top, they are done. There's one. Oh yeah, they're done. They look beautiful. Look at that. Okay, they need to cool about 5 to 10 minutes in the pan. Then I'll take them off, put them on the cookie racks. Excuse me, sorry. Put them on the cookie racks, and then I'll put them in the dish for it to be served. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and you have a great and wonderful day. Now for the next dessert, I am going to make fudge brownie with Reese's Pieces. But I'm going to do something a little extra. As you can see, we have the Crisco oil, the water, and the 2 eggs for the fudge. Nope. Get rid of the Crisco. Add 3/4 cups of butter melted. Whoops. Get rid of the water. Add 1/4 cup of sour cream. And instead of 2 eggs, we're adding 3. This makes it very rich and moist. Not so. So be right back. Let's meet at the mixer. Okay, first I'm going to pour in the package for the fudge. Yep, no, I will not put the plastic in it again. Add the butter. Add the sour cream. And add the 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Bring it down to mix, and I'll come right back and show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now we're going to add the Reese's Pieces. Okay, is that enough? Nah, always give them a little extra. And just stir them in. Oh, it looks like I'm going to have to give them even more extra. Gotta have at least 5 per bite, right? There we go. I gotta save me a little for my snack later. Oh yeah. Alright, I'll bring you to the bowl. Be right back. Okay, get your Pyrex dish. Don't forget to use the pan. And you pour it in. It's kind of thick. Thicker than normal. This is fine. Get the sides really good. Yep. There's some pieces of that. Now I learned another secret here. A lot of people, when they do these fudge brownies, they get well done on the edges. What you do is you make it thicker on the edges, and by the time the middle's done, so are the edges. So kind of like dig a little trench and make it like surrounded by mountains. It will slowly even out as it cooks. I've had my oven door open because it was set at 400 degrees. This needs to be at 350 for 22 to 29 minutes. I always check around 20 minutes. So let's check it out in 20 minutes. See you in 20. Okay, let's take a look. It's been 20 minutes. Smells good. Nope. Still needs probably about, I'd say, 7 more minutes. Alright, I'm smelling them pretty good, so they should be done. Let's check it out. Yep, they're done. Oh, you can see the surprise inside. They came to the top. That's okay, the guys love this stuff anyways. Be right back. Now, I usually let this cool down for probably about 45 minutes to an hour. Then I plate it up because these guys, we don't want everybody's hands in this. But so I plate it up and put it around saran wrap, and they enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video with the 2 desserts. Have a great day, everyone.